In this video, we will show you how to fix your PlayStation 4 controller stick drift. You may have noticed that when you release your joystick, it doesn't go back to the center. This is called stick drift. To fix that, we will cover a few methods that won't require you to take apart your controller or use any tools. With the first one being taking your analog and pulling up on the analog. After you have pulled up on the analog, you will push it to the edge, and here at the opposite side you will open up a small hole between the outer casing of the controller and the inner casing of the controller, and you will blow inside of that hole. That way you will dislodge any dust or any other particles that have accumulated in your controller, making it to get stuck in unnatural positions. Then you repeat that process until you have covered each hole or each side of the circle of your analog by moving the analog to different edges of the controller and blowing into the holes that open up. For the second method, we will be doing the exact same process. We will pull up on our analog, and after we have pulled up, we will just push it to the edge, and after we have pushed it to the edge, we will just flip over the controller and give it a gentle tap on the back. This way, we will be also able to dislodge any of the particles or something that is stuck in any of the parts of the circle of our analog. For the third method, we will be holding down the analogs, both of them, for 30 seconds. Just put your fingers on top and hold down for 30 seconds. After you have held down for 30 seconds, release them and start rotating them clockwise 3 times. After you have done that, start rotating them counterclockwise 3 times as well. And after you have done both, press and hold both of the analogs for another 30 seconds. After you have finished with this, we have the last method, the fourth method, and that method is just push down on your analog, push it to the edge, and push down on the ball. Be careful while doing this because you might cause damage to your controller. Push it in every direction and press down. Push it to the top, press down. Push it to the right, press down. Push it down, press down. Push it to the left and press down. That is it for this method. Hope one of these methods worked for you and you're able to fix your controller. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.